Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all the most requested videos of all times. A 7 days weight loss challenge that can help you lose 3 kgs in just 7 days very quickly. Now recently, as you can see the transformations here, my lots of clients for this challenge and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss or to join our weight loss challenge, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number which is 6284306522. Or you can directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on WhatsApp and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with 7 days of weight loss challenge to help you lose 3 kgs very quickly. But let's just first see what are the rules that we'll be following for this challenge. These are the following rules that we have listed on the screen here, and these are the rules of the 7 days weight loss challenge. The first rule is make sure that you are not having any kind of junk, processed food or packaged food of any kind during the entire 7 days of challenge. Second is make sure to complete your 10,000 steps average every single day for making sure that the body is in dynamic state. Third is always make sure that you are having at least twice a day herbal teas or detox drinks throughout your day to make sure you are hydrated and at the same time you're flushing out all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. And the fourth major point is that yes, the plan has to be followed A to Z without any restrictions or without any doubts. And the fifth major point is no refined sugar of any kind. That diet plan will be sugar free, but yes, I'll be giving you some tweaks and tweaks there to give you sugar as well. So make sure to follow this diet plan A to Z for the 7 days of weight loss challenge to help you lose 3 kgs very quickly. Now let's start with the diet plan. Early in the morning, empty stomach, I'll be giving you 2 to 3 options here to follow really well. The first option is my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients because whoever is suffering from constipation, you can really relieve the constipation from this drink. It is basically warm lemon water with added chia seeds to it. All I've done here is taken a glass of water, added half a lemon squeeze to it, pouring some warm water over it, at the same time 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to this. Mix it well and have it empty stomach and see the results happening yourself. Proceeding towards our second option. If you cannot have this because of any reason, you can always have jeera water or ajwain water. Ajwain jeera water really helps you with water retention, swelling, bloating, postpartum weight loss, thyroid, PCOD, PCOS. So do try out this option for your early morning drink if you cannot have the lemon chia water. Proceeding now towards the breakfast options. For breakfast, I'll be again giving you 2 to 3 options here. Personally, my favorite and loved by all of my clients. They want to have it every single day because they are so yummy, so delicious, and trust me, very fulfilling as well. The first option is vegetable oats upma. The complete recipe of vegetable oats upma is already on my channel, which is very minimal ingredients. Hardly takes 5 to 6 minutes to prepare this recipe, and trust me, so fulfilling, high in protein, and great for your fiber intake as well. So do try out this recipe for your breakfast. And now we'll proceed towards our second option. For second option, I'll be again giving you 2 varieties out of it. So you can have chila, but you can have either besan chila or moong dal chila. The complete recipe of both my chilas are already up on my channel, high in fiber, high in protein. In besan chila, you can add as many vegetables as possible. I like to add bell peppers, onions, capsicum, tomato, whatever you like to have to it. And trust me, make it fulfilling, fiber rich, and great for protein intake as well. You can have it along with mint chutney, coconut chutney as per your own preference, and you're good to go to have your tasty and healthy breakfast options for your 7 days of weight loss challenge. And now we'll proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our breakfast and lunchtime. For mid-morning snack, I'll be giving you 2 options. Again, which is a herbal tea or detox drink, and definitely this is one of the best options to have your herbal tea time. So you can have either a cup of green tea or peppermint tea or chamomile tea. Now these are very essential to boost your antioxidant level in the body, and trust me, the results are really amazing if you start having this in your mid-morning snack. So you can have 1 cup of these tea options, or you can have again the ajwain or jeera water, or you can have 1 fruit of your own choice. You can have any seasonal fruit, preferably orange or apple or guava. They are really great for vitamin C, and do try out to have your herbal tea along with your fruit. It really helps you with constipation level also, and great for your antioxidant level also. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can always have my personal favorite recipe of simple lassi. Now I've shared the complete recipe of it. Is mint lassi, or you can call it as mint chas. Do not add any kind of salt to it or sugar to it. We'll keep it raw as possible. Adding mint leaves, ice, homemade curd, Along with that, just blending it out with some roasted jeera powder and some black pepper powder, and you're good to go to have your tasty and very chilling lassi. So you can have these options for your mid-morning snack. And now let's proceed towards our lunch options. And as usual, before lunch we'll be having apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Have it empty stomach before your lunch. 30 minutes before your lunch, it's best time to have this drink. Why? Because first, it helps your body to not raise the blood sugar levels when you're gonna consume your lunch, and second, it helps you balance your pH levels also. So do try out this before your lunch. And now let's proceed towards our lunch options for 7 days of weight loss challenge. They have to be high in protein, low in carbohydrates, low in glycemic index, and great for your fat loss. So I'll be giving you 2 options which are personally loved by all of my clients. They have stopped having the regular sabzis and rotis, and trust me, these recipes are their go-to for every single day. So you can have, the first option is millet khichdi. The complete recipe of my millet khichdi is already up on my channel. I'm using here kutki, that is little millet for the khichdi. You can use kodo millet, you can use bajra, you can use any of your own choice, whatever is available at your place. Along with that, I'm adding it lots and lots of vegetables to it for fiber intake and for taste as well. I'm adding here broccoli, carrots, capsicum you can add bell peppers, you can add onions, whatever is your own preference. Along with that, I'll be adding the normal curry patta also for the goodness of hair. At the same time, I'll be adding the soap cookie to it along with regular spices. Add water to it, and at the same time whistling it up for 2 to 3 whistles. And your tasty, high fiber, and trust me, most delicious khichdi, very low in glycemic index, is ready for your weight loss. So this khichdi you can have along with raita and salad, of course, to make it more probiotic rich and fiber rich as well. And do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we proceed towards our second option for lunch. For all my roti lovers out there who cannot live without roti, in this time you have to have your roti, but in a very, very low in glycemic index form and for weight loss also. So I'll be giving you 2 options here. You can either have the bajra, jaw, jawar, multigrain roti, or you can have my personal favorite, oats beetroot roti. Now I've loved having this roti every single day of my life. Why? Because it's very, very great for your collagen boosting properties also, and great for your detoxification also. Oats flour really works amazingly well for your fat loss. So do try out this option for your lunch. Along with this roti, you can have either sabzi of any kind, paneer, or you can have the curries, or you can have, as per your own choice, any green leafy vegetables. Whatever is prepared at your home. Along with that, have curd. Along with that, have fiber rich salad. So make sure to make it a wholesome, balanced meal in it all, and great for weight loss also. And trust me, you will not feel hunger pangs after having this meal for good 6 hours. So do try out these options for your lunch. And now let's quickly proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, for which I'll be giving you 2 options here. It is between your lunch and dinner. You do feel hunger pangs during this time, you can have these options. My personal favorite is, and loved by all of my clients, and trust me, it's very fulfilling and very relaxing as well. You can have black tea or black coffee with added pinch of lemon juice to it. It really helps to detoxify you, and trust me, the results have been amazingly well for all of my clients for weight loss also. If you can't have the normal black tea or black coffee and you want to have normal tea or coffee as per your own choice, you can have it, but do not add any kind of sugar to it at all. And now let's proceed towards the snacking options during this time. You can have 30 grams of roasted makhanas, but no salt to it, any kind of any preference. You can have it along with black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, and just saute in some ghee or microwave as well. Along with that, you can have, if you do feel having the sugar craving in yourself, you can have either 1 date, or you can have simple and my personal favorite, half a piece of Zevic dark chocolate. It is basically made of stevia, no refined sugar of any kind. So along with that, you can have your green tea or peppermint tea or black tea or black coffee as per your own choice, or regular tea or coffee but no sugar to it at all. And now let's proceed towards our dinner option for this diet plan. Dinner has to be something very low in carbohydrates, very low in salt intake, but trust me, it is gonna be the most fulfilling meal of your day also, because I'm gonna give you a few recipes which have worked amazingly well for my clients. The first option that I'm gonna give you for dinner is my personal favorite, and trust me, it is the most delicious thing that you can have for dinner for weight loss. the grilled paneer tikka. You can even replace your paneer with tofu or soya or chicken as per your own choice. But trust me, tandoori items make your weight loss journey very successful. So you can have grilled paneer tikka. The recipe is completely shared on my channel, requires very minimal ingredients, and trust me, the recipe is super simple as well. You can even use a grilling pan for the same or air fryer as per your own choice. I'm using an air fryer. You can use the grilling pan as well. Make sure to always marinate your paneer or soya or chicken prior when you're cooking, because it really helps to make it more juicy and yummy as well. I'm adding here some bell peppers also. You can use it as per your own choice or skip it altogether. And trust me, the recipe is super simple, and do follow it and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now let's proceed towards our second option. Second option has to be my personal favorite, soup. Soup is very easily possible in any season. Yes, because it more is like a high fiber meal for you. You can add anything to your soup, whatever is preferred. I like to add tomato, zucchini, all veggie soup you can have. You can have whatever you like to add in your soup. Pumpkin, tomato, carrots, beetroot. At the same time, you can add even some dal to it, and you're good to go to have your tasty delicious soup. Along with that, you can have 50 to 80 grams of roasted paneer or soya. Along with that, it really helps to give you good protein content of the day also, and really makes it more wholesome as a whole meal. So do try out these options for your dinner. And now we'll be proceeding towards our bedtime drink option. Now again, for the herbal tea bedtime drink option, it has to be really great for immunity, for metabolism boosting, and for weight loss also. I'll be giving you two options. The first option is my personal favorite, 1 cup of chamomile tea. Why do I recommend chamomile tea? Because it really helps with your immunity, hormonal imbalances, and trust me, women over 30 should start having chamomile tea every single day without any fail. It really helps you with postpartum also. It really helps you with the benefits of your hormonal imbalances, and metabolic rate of the body shoots up like anything. So do try out this recipe for your bedtime drink. And now the second option is, cannot have chamomile tea, then you can always have, again, my personal favorite, great for postpartum weight loss, ajwain water or jeera water. Works in a similar manner, great for water retention, swelling, bloating, excessive puffiness in the body, and really works amazingly well for your fat loss also. So you can try out these options for your bedtime drink. With this weight loss challenge, make sure to consume at least 2 liters to 3 liters of normal water without any fail, to help you with hydration benefits and to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, which is very important for the fat loss journey. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on WhatsApp. And we'll be starting your weight loss journey with me and begin the transformation happening like all of my these clients did. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.